ClickUp pricing and what you get with what you pay for can be quite confusing when it comes to ClickUp pricing. So today I'm going to talk you through the ClickUp pricing structure. What do you get with what plan? And when do you need to upgrade? And do you need to upgrade? And as a little bonus, I'll even have a calculator for you that does all the work for you. At least the heavy lifting. Hi everybody, I'm Yvonne Heimann with AskEV.com and I'm a business efficiency consultant for digital entrepreneurs. And today, you know it, we're talking money. We are talking ClickUp pricing structure, ClickUp plans, and what do you get with what? So first, let's go over to the ClickUp pricing page to see what plans there actually are and what you get with it. And then I'm going to show you how you easily can figure out what you even need to pay. How many clients can you bring in as guests? All the questions are being answered today. Let's start at the pricing page. So when you come to the ClickUp pricing page, the first thing already is, like everybody else does, you're going to see the price if you pay yearly. So to really see your ClickUp price, you want to make sure to set it to monthly if you are paying monthly. If you want to pay yearly, just keep it right there. But I want to make sure that you really know the ClickUp price you are going to pay. What you see right here are our 5 plans. Enterprise is really just for big agencies and big companies that want really granular capabilities of setting what people are allowed to do, custom roles and all that kind of thing. Rarely ever applicable on small agencies or small to medium-sized businesses. I do, however, have quite a few clients that are running on the enterprise. It is a really nice plan, and I will show you the specifics on it. You already see some of the advantages there. HIPAA capability is available in there. You have advanced permissions. You have the white labeling. You have a lot of the things that really just corporate level needs. For everybody else, those 4 plans underneath are perfectly fine. Now, the free plan, if you are starting out, it's perfect to get your feet wet. It's perfect to get started. If, however, you want to scale your business and you have a bigger team, you're going to start running into limitations really fast. And we'll get to this right now. One of the first limitations on the free account is you only have 5 spaces. That's it. So the moment you grab a couple of my templates from the academy, you're going to run out of spaces. It just is. But the free account is really just focused on personal use. If you just need a simple to-do list, that's what that plan is here for. Coming down here, you're already going to see the next big differentiator, guests. Now, guests we use for our clients to bring clients in that have edit capabilities, but that can't see the whole thing. In your free account, your guests are going to see everything. They're coming in as if they would be full member. You have no way of telling them you can't see that. So if you want to bring guests in and if you want to bring your clients into their processes without them seeing everything, you're going to have to upgrade. But you also get more people going higher up in these plans. So in the unlimited, you start out with 5 guests. You as the owner can bring in 5 guests without paying an additional dime. In the higher plans, you already get 10 guests to start with. And here's the next bonus point. On the unlimited account in ClickUp, per every other seat. So you are the owner, you bring in 5 guests. You as the owner get 5 guests as a bonus for signing up with ClickUp. You bring somebody else in as a full member and you get 2 additional guest seats. Cool, makes sense? Now, if you go to one of those higher levels, you get 5 additional guest seats with every full member you are bringing in. This is also how you can get more guest access. Meaning your team might not be quite that big, but you suddenly need more guests. You're just gonna have to buy another full member seat to add more guest seats. It's really that simple. And right underneath that, you already can see in the pricing page the next limitation on your ClickUp plans, custom fields. And I'm telling you right now, if you are using my content creation workflow, and if you haven't seen that yet, right here, and it's linked down there too, so you can go grab that template. It uses a lot of custom fields to collect information, to showcase information. Your free only has 100 uses. That's it. So if you want to really dive into ClickUp and really make use of it for content creation, you are going to have to upgrade. But again, the pricing is really not this bad. And I'm coming to the coupon code in just a little bit. Going down, you're not going to have the box view, which is a big piece running your business with a team to see what the team is up to. The Gantt view, you again just have 100 views. Activity view, the length of it is limited the lower you are in the plans, as well as the timeline view is limited in free and unlimited. You do have custom capacities on your workload view right in Business Plus, meaning there is some additional features in the workload view that allows you to really plan with your team easier. Now, scrolling down, as you can see, there is some use limitations. You don't have form view in the free account. You have some brand and customization in the form view. You do have embed available everywhere. In your customization though, there's custom task IDs, and those custom task IDs we often use for support ticketing right in ClickUp because we just want to make it look fancy. We want to have a specific numbering sequence. You might want to have different task IDs between different departments. That's where you're going to need these custom task IDs. And here is the biggest differentiator. If you want to scale your business, you know you're going to need automations. Now, automations take resources on the servers. This is why you need to upgrade if you really want to get serious about automating your ClickUp. Honestly, if you are running a small to medium sized business with 1 or 2 VAs with the coupon code that's coming up, the Business Plus account right in ClickUp is really not that expensive. And the automations are going to save you so much time that it pretty much pays for itself. The other really important thing when choosing a plan within ClickUp is this right here, email in ClickUp. We automate a lot in ClickUp and send out automatic emails. We are using it as a support ticketing system. Did you see the video? That's where you're going to need the emails. That's where emails are going out when somebody submits a form and so many other things possible right here in ClickUp, which means you're going to need email and ClickUp. And on the free account, it's 100 users. Again, it uses resources on the server, which is why we are getting charged additional for that. Makes sense. You got to pay for extra emails too. Team sharing is another big one, as well as guest visibility, which means you being able to hide time tracking, as well as dashboards. Those are the limitations when it comes to these plans. Now, things can get really crazy. I know. I'm gonna make it easy for you. And yes, I'm finally talking about the coupon too. I have a ClickUp cost estimator for you. That will exactly tell you what are you gonna pay, in which plan, and how many guest accounts are you getting? How is this all working with each other? Okay, let me show you. First off, right here on the right-hand side, you see the different plans that we just talked about. That way you easily see what are you going to pay in the unlimited plan, in the business plan, as well as in the Business Plus plan with the people you want to bring in. You also can use this as your repository. Add your team member name, add the ClickUp email so you know exactly who are you adding on ClickUp with what email, and then choose their roles. You as the owner should be the first one, and there only can be one owner. Meaning if you plug in a new owner in here, you actually will be told there only can be one owner. So only one owner. And then you choose by drop down, who do you want to add? Do you want to add an admin? Do you want to add a full member? Do you want to add guests with edit access? Or just guests with view access? And this thing is going to do all the work for you. It's going to tell you how much you pay monthly for the seat, so it pulls in the regular monthly pricing. It also tells you how many guests are included in that monthly unlimited, as well as in business, as well as in Business Plus, so you can see the separate numbers. And then you really just go over here where it tells you, okay, we have a total of one owner, we have 3 full members, which is 2 admins and 1 full member. ClickUp just sees them as full member in the pricing, as well as guests. There might be a coupon code hidden right in here. And then you can see between those 3 plans, what are you paying monthly? What are you paying annually? What are you paying for these 2 with my coupon code for the unlimited, the business, and the Business Plus? So let me know in the comment section. I want to know, do you even consider the unlimited plan? Honestly, all of my clients are running on the Business Plus plan. Especially with subtasks and multiple lists, if you are creating content, Business Plus is going to be a must on this. As well as automations. Nobody wants to worry about automations running out, right? Building a support ticketing system right here in ClickUp that integrates the task getting done and assigned to your team without you having to touch it, just go Business Plus. But that's me. Which plan are you on? And have you seen the video that I did about how to build a customer support ticketing system right in ClickUp? No, it's right there for you. And have you subscribed? Go subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.